Hey friends, it's wash day and I'm using my new Olaplex kit, so we need to open this up. We have number 0 and number 3, which I'm going to be using like back to back. I also have the shampoo and conditioner. This is my first time actually using Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. I only ever use these two products to do my hair. Curious to see like how my hair is going to feel after a full Olaplex routine. I'm going to apply this all over my hair and just really saturate it with this product. Okay, I'm back. I just applied this, but I didn't drench it. You're only meant to spray enough into your hair so that your hair is damp, but your hair should not be drenched when you're done. So I'm leaving this in my hair for 10 minutes, and then when I come back, I'm gonna leave it in and I'm gonna add number 3. Okay, it's definitely been more than 10 minutes, but you guys know I like to keep a mask in. For 3, it's your turn. The most annoying part of having new products is having to open this foil seal. Life hack, use tweezers. So I have this open. I'm so sorry, I hope you guys don't hate me, but I kept on forgetting to record the individual segments of my hair care routine. So I kind of just said fuck it, I'm sorry, but now I'm trying to figure out what to eat for dinner. It's 8 o'clock. I've been editing this vlog for YouTube all night after work, so I'm working on content for you guys, like I care. I'm thinking I'm gonna put chicken breast in my air fryer, but I don't know what to eat with it. Like, should I make rice, like a little rice dish? That just feels so boring though, but I also don't really have any other ideas. Oh my god, you cannot live in New York without hearing sirens every day. It's so fucking annoying. I have 4 pieces here, so I'm gonna make 1. But like, what am I gonna eat it with? Like, should I just make rice? My chicken breast is in the air fryer. Eee. Bro, look at this shit. I bought this mirror phone holder, hanger, and it broke. Amazon is so shitty. I've only had it for like 2 days. Amazon is so shitty. I'm just feeling so lazy because like, I don't want to do anything. This is why people cook on Sundays for the week. And I was thinking about doing it yesterday and I was like, no, I don't think I need to. I don't have a problem cooking during a week. Liar. Look at me now, upset that I have to cook. Like, I'm a little bit nervous and I low-key have PTSD from my last apartment because we had a mouse problem in the entire building. Like, we had a mouse problem. I'm like getting shivers. I'm getting goosebumps thinking about it. The landlord he was so shitty with dealing with it and he didn't take us seriously. And we basically have to call our own exterminator like every 6 months because that's how it was reappearing in our apartment. Every like 6 months it would just pop up and hop in and out. Moving to this apartment, talking to management about like why I was leaving my last building and what I was looking for, and I was like, yeah, I just don't want to deal with any pests. Like, I don't want to deal with any mice. Like, deal breaker for me. And they assured me that there were no pests or rodents in this building. So I'm really operating like by faith of that conversation. But I just heard some rustling up there and I got up on my step ladder, but I didn't see anything. But the fact that I heard rustling, it's just driving me crazy. Like, I'm so nervous now. Like, I hope it's not a mouse. I don't know what to think anymore, but yeah. Okay, dinner update. I'm going to saute some spinach and onions and ooh, maybe some garlic. I'm just gonna make seasoned rice really quickly. But I hope you guys are having a beautiful week so far. I'm not exactly sure what day this vlog is gonna go live, but whatever day it is, I hope you've had an amazing day. Okay, now I'm gonna add spinach. Okay, now I'm gonna add garlic. Okay, I've added my garlic. This is so loud. I need to start adding my seasoning. First up, I'm adding some Knorr. I'm also gonna add some garlic powder. Okay, that's enough. Adding garlic salt as well. Final seasoning I'm gonna add for now is cayenne pepper. I'm gonna turn off the burner for this one. This is good for now. Now it's your turn. So I'm gonna put it on a really low simmer, and I'm gonna close it, and it's gonna dry out a bit. When it's almost fully dry, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna add this butter. This is my favorite butter. It's French butter. Dinner is served. I think I might have overcooked my chicken breast a little bit, so it might be dry, but here's my dinner. I did it. Clap for me. Damn, my chicken breast is kind of dry. Let me taste it before I judge it too harshly. I left it in there for too long. Fuck. At least I won't get salmonella. Update, I'm doing a face mask and I'm still doing my deep condition. It's currently 10:21. I didn't want to still be like doing my hair this late. It's my fault for not doing my hair during the workday. I just had so many meetings. I wasn't sure if they were gonna do camera on, but they were all camera off. So the universe was like providing me with the opportunity to wash my hair, and I just didn't take it. Like, I'm such a clown. But it's okay, it's okay. I'm just gonna be up until probably like 1 a.m. doing my hair. So when I wash this face mask off, I'm gonna also wash my hair out. It is currently 12. I just finished blow drying my hair. I'm so tired, oh my God. I couldn't do all that on camera. It's too late in the night and I'm exhausted. So I'm trying to get this done as quickly as possible. I have my retainers in because I'm ready to go to bed. I used Color Wow and I used Design Essentials Bamboo and Silk Leave-In Conditioner. And now I'm about to flat iron my hair and I'm gonna use this Design Essentials, God, this retainer's so good. Design Essentials Blow Dry and Silk Press Weightless Thermal Protection Serum. I haven't washed my hair since, okay, I got my hair done at the hair salon on December like 22nd. It's been a month since I've had my hair washed. I had to get my sweater, I'm so cold. I like to do my hair track by track. Okay, oh no, oh no. This is gonna be my 13th reason. How many more? There's a damp piece in the back, fuck. Oh my God, I don't wanna blow dry anymore. I'm so tired. Is it just that one? I need to blow dry my back again. This is annoying. It's like the whole track is still wet. I know my neighbors are sick of me. I feel like I still need to blow dry my sides. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. Fuck it, I'm done. I'm done. It's dry. My roots are so wet, but I don't care. I got a chair because I'm so tired and I got my water. Blow dryer is heating up. Got my comb. This is the heat protectant spray that I like to use. This butter that I'm using is the Baby Bliss ceramic. I have the titanium, but my hairstylist told me that I should use ceramic since I have fine hair. I don't want to burn my hair off. Flat ironing my whole head, but I did it wrong because I didn't get it done straight, so I'm annoyed about that. But I'm too tired to like really care. So I'm about to just do my front pieces and go to bed. but it doesn't look how I want it to look. It's not flat, it's really big. So I'm just gonna put it in the flexi rod and call it a night because I'm exhausted. How I prep my hair for bed. Clip never stays in place, but we'll see. I just wrap it around the flexi rod. Here's how I'm wrapping for bed, and you guys will see the results in tomorrow's vlog. Because tomorrow is a new day. Good night. I love you guys.